Why is it important for Newcastle and I guess even the NHS generally, if you have any thoughts on that, to adopt a cloud first approach to your automation journey and why you're now migrating to the cloud?
Yeah, absolutely. And it feels like that logical next step in our journey around, we decided to launch initially on-prem. That was, again, at the time, the decision that suited our circumstances, and now moving that and migrating over onto the Automation 360 platform, cloud-based, is absolutely the right move for us. I think that that brings a whole raft of benefits with it. That whole SaaS model that we look to adopt to make sure that we've got that assurance and confidence in the relationship, that that cloud-based approach will deliver the resilience we need. And I think just with RPA, it needs to be managed well. It needs to be managed sustainably, and I think a cloud-based solution supports that that evolution in how we actually progress. And as our bots grow with us and as systems change, I think we've got that added resilience and flexibility that a cloud-based model provides to us. So that's very much reflective of other trust-wide systems that we have. So very much maps into our digital strategy. So it's exciting to take that next step and bring us off a local on-prem model and put us on the cloud. That comes with it, new functionality that we're excited to get our hands on. That migrate piece to ensure that the bots are moved seamlessly from one to the other, and again, working closely with you to make that a success. So you're right in identifying that as the next key step for us, and it's the one that again we've been supported throughout. And actually, it's looking at the project plan. It's very short and it's very pain-free. So having to get all of when you're dealing with anything internally in on-prem, that there's a lot more involvement. There's a lot more reliance on others that are not necessarily directly connected with the project itself. So from that perspective, it's really beneficial to be moving to this model, and it's something that we're very much looking forward to delivering.